Methods can be divided into two main categories. Quantitative methods focus on quantifiable evidence. They use numbers to represent phenomena. For example, the number of people affected, the reaction time of participants answering questions, or the intensity of a stimulus. Qualitative methods focus on the what, how, when, where, and why of a thing. These qualities cannot be represented by numbers. For instance, the feeling that participants experience, the steps of their decision-making process, or the purpose of a team of employees. Although some disciplines prefer one category over the other, many scholars today realize that a mixed methods approach is better than relying on a single category. Quantitative methods can help explain the raw data produced by quantitative methods. Instead of using just one, use both to more comprehensively understand the problem.